Alright, buddy, wait until I say go, okay?
Other people wake up to see their Amazon deliveries on their porch. This man wakes up to see 10 cats screaming for breakfast on his. Usually, animals are trained to sit or roll over. Sea lions, on the other hand, are trained to be professional volleyball players.
Not a cast kitty. Just not a... Look at her. She was going up... Look at her. She's challenging Noe.
This lion is clearly no match for that house cat. It should be thankful that its cage was able to keep the monster out.